Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are well and healthy. I, Ajit Singh from Colonel's Bratland Public School, will teach you computer of grade 6. So, my dear student, this is a part 2 video for the chapter 5 formulas and function. So, let's start with new topic using a basic formula. Basic formula involves only one type of operator in it. Let us use it to calculate the sum of the numbers in B4, B5 to B9 and display the result in B11. So follow the steps. Click on the B11 where you want to display the result and type sign. Click on the cell B4. A dashed border called marquee will appear around it. Its address will appear in the cell B11 and in the formula bar. This method of clicking on the cell to add its reference to formula called the status bar will display the status of point. Now type the plus symbol. Repeat the above stop till B9 or type equal B4 plus B5 plus B6 plus B7 plus B8 plus B9 in B11. You will notice the different color borders that appears around these cells. Press the enter key. Cell B11 will display the total of all the values from B4 to B9. Alright students, quick view for you. To enter or modify a formula in a cell, you can also press F2 after selecting the cell. Any change that you make in a data will be reflected in the formula result. Alright students, to copy the formula to all cell in the selected range, press F2 and then press Ctrl plus Enter key. Using compound formula. Compound formula are used when more than one operator is required to perform calculation. So let us use it to calculate the simple interest by using the formula P into R into T upon 100. Enter the data as shown in the figure. Follow the given steps. Click on the cell B6 and type equal. Click on the cell B2. The cell address of B2 appears in the cell B6. Again, type the symbol of multiply and click on the cell B3. Type the symbol multiply in B6 and click on the cell B4. Now type the symbol divide followed by the 100 in the cell B6 and press enter. The cell B6 displays the calculated simple interest. Note that result appears in the cell but the actual formula is visible on the formula bar. Quick view for you students. To copy the formula from the above cell, press the Ctrl plus apostrophe. Know the fact, if you want to calculate the sum of multiple cells that are not in a range, separated each cell address by a comma. For example, equal sum bracket C4 comma C6 comma 08. Using a range in this formula, you can assign multiple cells to a formula by creating. Using range, you can save a lot of time. For example, if you want to calculate the sum of multiple columns and rows, it always better to define a range. Type the data shown in the figure. Click on the B11 and type the formula equal sum bracket B4 semicolon B9. Here the sum is a built-in function of Excel that helps to adding the numbers. Press the enter key. The sum value will be displayed in the B11. Similarly, you can calculate the sum in the cell C11 by using the above mentioned steps. Know the fact. A range spans a group of cells adjacent to each other on a worksheet. The range can be used in formulas. Using formulas on text. We can also perform addition on character and string data type. Except for addition, other operators like subtraction, multiplications, divisions, etc. are not allowed on the string data type. The ampersand symbols is used to perform additions of two or more text values is called the concatenations. Let us understand this with the help of an example. Enter any string type value in a cell A1 and B1. Say KIPS in a A1 and India in B1. Enter the date formula equal double quoted KIPS, double quoted and double quoted India, double quoted in cell C1 and press the enter. It will display KIPS India in a cell C1. Note, in the formula bar, type the text within double quoted in order to create text value. If you want to leave a blank space after each word, then leave a space before closing the double inverted commas. For example, double quoted I, double quoted and, double quoted love, double quoted and, double quoted computer, double quoted. अब इसका होगा I love computer.